Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Cobrizi is set to replace Umkhokha the Curse. Mzansi Magic's new drama series Cobrizi is set to air next year. According to a source at MultiChoice, the production of Cobrizi is underway and it seems the series will replace the Umkhokha the Curse, which is soon coming to an end. The show has acquired the service of seasoned actors such as Temsi Matu and Crispin Nyati, who are shooting the show in Johannesburg. It's going to be an exciting series, said the source. Another source said, I quote, viewers will fall in love with the inclusion of Temsi and Crispin, who haven't settled in the drama series they are now in.
BTS Cobrizi Slate 448 take 1 Charlie Mark.
When? Set and action.
Did you know?
Cobrizi,
AKA Cobrizi.
guys, tell them what Cobrizi is our era as screens and it's a
Yes, Matuzane.
It's not diva. It's in it. It's diva. It's in it. It's diva. It's in it.